Hello students, in the previous lecture we have seen step deviation method, and in this lecture we are going to see your next topic is mode. This mode is denoted by capital Z and its formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole bracket multiplied by H. Then what is L? L is the lower limit of the class. L is the lower limit of the class. H is size of the class intervals. H is size of the class intervals. F1 is frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. F0 is frequency of the class preceding the model class. This is F0 is the preceding the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Then see its example. Then your first example. Then your example is 14.2, your first example. The following table shows ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year, and this table is given, that is here age in years, age in years, number of patients, number of patients, number of patients, 5 to 15, 15 to 25, the next is 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. And here number of patients are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and here 5. 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Then this table is given and find the mode. Here find the mode. Here in frequency, which is the greater value? This is a greater value. Then you will solve. Here mark here F1. This is your F0. This is your F2. And this is your L. Then you will write the formula. Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole bracket multiplied by this H. Here what are the values? You will write here values, that is F1 is 23, F0 is 21, F2 is 14, L is 35, and what is your class size? That is H is 15 minus 5 is 10. Then you will write here 10. Then put all the values in this formula. Then what is your L? L is 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 divided by 2F1, that is 2 into 23 minus F0 means 21, F2 means 14 multiplied by 10 because H is 10. Then calculate 35 plus here 23 minus 21, then you will write here 2. Here 2 3s are 6, that is 46 minus 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3 multiplied by 10. Then your next step is 35 plus 2 divided by, then 46 minus 35, 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, multiplied by 10. Then next value is, next step is z equal to 35 plus, this 2 multiplied by 10 is 20 divided by 11. Then divide. 11 ones are 11. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Then take here 0. Here point. Then 11 8s are 88. Then here 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 8 minus 8 is 0. Then take here 0 again. Then 11 ones are 11. Again 9 is repeated. Then you will write here 35 plus 1.81. And they are add. Then you will get z equal to 36.81. This is your answer. This is your answer. Then see the next example. Then your second example. The following data gives information on the observed lifetime of 2 to 5 electrical components, and here table is given. Then draw this table. Lifetimes in hours. Frequency 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And 100 to 120. Then write its frequencies. Then the frequencies are 10, 35, 52. 10, 35, 52. 61, 38, 29. 61, 38, 29. Again you will check your frequencies, that is 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. And find the mode. Find the mode. Then in frequency, which is greater value? This 61 is greater value. Then you will write here F1. And preceding means you will write here F0. And succeeding means you will write here F2. And your L is 60. Your L is 60. Then you will write here L equal to 60. F0 equal to 52. F1 equal to 61. F2 equal to 38. And your age is means class size is 20. Class size is 20. Then write its formula, that is Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole multiplied by H. Then put up the values. Then what is your L? What is your L? L is 60. Then you will write here 60 plus. What is your F1? F1 is 61 minus. What is your F0? F0 is 52. divided by 2 into F1. What is your F1? F1 is 61. What is your F0? F0 is 52. Minus, what is your F2? F2 is 38. And here bracket is complete and your H is 20. Then 60 plus 61 minus 52. That is 9. That is 9. Here 2 ones are 2, 6 twos are 12. Minus here 8 plus 2 is 10, then 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, then 9. Multiplied by this 20. Then your next step is 60 plus 9 divided by this 122 minus 90. Then 122 minus 90, that is 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. Then 32. Here you will write 32 multiplied by 20. Then divide here. 2 ones are 2, here 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again you will divide 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Then 45 divided by 8. Then you will write here. Z equal to 60 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by this 8. 9 5s are 45 divided by this 8. Then divide 8, 45. 8 5s are 40. Then here 5. Then here 0. 8 6s are 48. Then here 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 4 minus 4 is 0. Then here right here 0. 8 2s are 16. Then here 16. Then 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you take here 0. 2 5s are, sorry, 8 5s are 40. Then you will write here 60 plus 5.625 and they are added. Then you will get 65.625 and this is your answer. This is your answer. Here you will write your unit is hour. You will write your unit is hour because this is given in your example. Then here your mode topic is completed and the rest we will see in the next lecture.